another Allure unboxing. It's about 3:30 in the morning and my daughter just woke up. But we're going to get through this unboxing and then I'm going to start my day. All right, this is the Allure Beauty Box. This subscription is $15 a month. You get well over $90 in retail for that amount of money. It comes with a pamphlet and all the details you could need about the products, plus the retail prices. Mind you, they're not always full size in here. So the retail price, for a full ounce of product is $80 and you get a half ounce of product, it's a good thing you're getting to try out an $80 product and they do give you a good portion. The bags usually come with snaps. This month it didn't. It just came with something that you can tuck in. Now, I have gotten in here, I love skincare. I do. This here is the St. Tropez Self-Tan Purity Natural Glowing Skin Bronzing Water Face Mist. If you can see it. Now, I'm not so sure how to use this and what it does. So, I've never heard of a bronzing water before. This facial tanner goes on clear and a superfine mist that hydrated my skin. I've used 5 spritzes across my face, neck, and upper chest before bed. Didn't feel the need to blend and was thrilled with noticeable but believable tan I woke up to. I've also used it under makeup, which wore well on top all day. And the price of it is $30. Okay, we're going to have to try that. I also got an Eye Lights Metallic Shadow from Model Company. I've opened it because it's so much easier. This is what the packaging looked like. And I can swatch it for you. And as you can see, I'm going to have to try and use that bronzing water because from the sun. My eyes are white. Isn't that pretty? I like that a lot. Okay. Now, tissue. And I'll wipe it off in a little bit. I also got a Laritzi Cosmetics lip gloss. Oh, I didn't tell you the price on the eyeshadow, the Model Company eyeshadow. Where is it? Probably, yeah, right in front of my face. Good morning, Karen. Have more coffee. $12. Okay, this lip gloss that I'm going to show you is $20. And it is Laritzi Cosmetics. It's a pale pinkish nude. It's sheer with warm tones for a more modern and more flattering look. Okay, let's see. It can be used over lip balm, it says. Ooh, it's got that nice little pretty wand. And here it is here. That's pretty. I do like that a lot, actually. I got a lot in this one. Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. Let's see. You see me looking at this? Okay, so I got a trial size. That's what the full size bottle looks like. The full is $35. This little blue jar is brimming with beauty. It's a moisturizer. Laneige Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. It says you can use it under sunscreen and makeup and at night. Okay. And it smooths out wrinkles. Well, we like that. I also got a Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. We're going to open it up. It's in a little jar. You're going to hear my daughter in the background. Oh, this is cute. It's a little interesting, the packaging. Like, I thought it was this way, but it's actually this way. Radiance Cream and Mask. Okay, so let's check that out. Radiance Cream and Mask. $200. Eureka. A hydrating mask that doesn't smell like anything. I can wear it overnight, focus on Z's, and have brighter skin by morning. And it's showing this little bottle here. It doesn't tell me how many ounces. I'm just curious because this little tiny thing has got to be a trial size because I've 0.2 fluid ounces. Yeah, it has to be a trial size, and they just have the same type of packaging for their regular size product. But oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's one more product. I've already used it and done a video clip on it, so I'm going to insert it here. Okay, I'm in my bathroom and we're going to try this mask that you mix with water in order to get rid of the dirt in your pores. So now I've gotten, the directions tell me I need a tablespoon of this product, which I have in here, and a teaspoon of water, which I'm going to add right now. And I need to mix it into a paste. Grab a teaspoon, put it in there. Now let's move this down here. I might have to put this down in order to do it, but I've got to mix it into a paste. Let's see if I can do this. Wow, just give me a second and I'll be right back. Okay, it's pretty pasty and it smells like oatmeal, so the next step is to apply it. I was out in the sun today, that's why my face is red, but I'm going to start applying this mask and I'm going to leave it on while I'm laying down, as the recommended time is like 15 minutes, I believe. Let's check it out. Okay, paste applied, and forgive me, it says massage in the skin, wait a minute, and then wash away. So it feels very pasty. It smells like oatmeal. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but it doesn't say to wait long. So now that I've applied it and I've massaged it in, I'm starting to feel like I'm massaging oatmeal on my face. I'm gonna rinse it off and we're gonna see what happens. Who knows? Okay, washed off with warm water. It unclogs pores, renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. Okay, so guess what? My skin is pink, but it's not as bad. It looks like it did brighten things up a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. And it's soft. And a close-up look at my pores. I don't have anything hanging there. You know when you wash your face and you exfoliate, sometimes you'll see something flake off. So my first time using it, and I don't feel like I have anything stuck in my pores. Good news. All right, that's the end of this for so far. The end of this for so far, I can talk. The end of this review of this part of what's in the Allure box. And we'll try it again at some point, but very smooth. And I don't feel like there's anything left. It was gritty and it was oatmeal, and I don't know. I'll have to continue using it and let you know what I think. Thanks for watching.